What's up, little dude? What's going on, Ollie?
Some really cool stuff. Don't look. Don't look yet.
Hey, what's going on?
I am so excited for today's install. 10 minutes or less.
Why do you put it in quotes?
10 minutes or less. No tools required.
That's our favorite type of install on the JK Sport. Why don't we get started?
Let's do it. Well, we are replacing the standard Freedom panels with
Are you practicing?
Clearlidz 180-degree transparent tech.
Literally practicing. Why don't we do the real thing?
All right.
Boom.
Come on, Greg, come on.
Why don't you just go ahead and give it a ring?
What is going on, Garage Couple fans? I am so stoked to tell you what you... I can't
Tell
even
you what
talk.
you're missing, boys.
Ah, so excited. Today, on this week's episode, we are replacing the stock Freedom panels with Clearlidz 180-degree transparent panoramic view top.
We have been so excited to be installing this product because Ollie's hardtop, let's face it, doesn't really come off that often. So I think this is the next best thing. So if you've been in the market for one of these, or if you want to see how ours goes, make sure to stick around. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube just by clicking that subscribe button below. And make sure to check out our Instagram, check out our website. Shameless plug.
Here we go.
Let's do it.
Before we unbox, let me tell you a little about Clearlidz. All of their tops are manufactured. All of the tops are
We're selling tops here, everyone. They are all manufactured in the US.
In the USA, which we absolutely love to support. It has UV protection, so it is not gonna yellow and it's gonna protect you from the sunlight. It has weather seal, so you're not gonna see leaking. And you don't need extra hardware or tools. It's gonna lock in exactly where your Freedom panels are gonna lock in as well.
So why don't you go ahead and grab those, and why don't you just go straight to it?
All right, Greg, you want to give me a hand to lay it down? This is precious pieces.
Be careful, lots of staples on the inside. Now, one thing that I've been super impressed with in the past is how nicely these products are packaged. I mean, wow! Do you seeing what I'm seeing?
I'm seeing it.
All right, looks like we got the shade. Look at this. Beautiful. We got some, what is this, accessories?
All the goods.
All the goodies. It looks like some hardware here. Not a whole lot of hardware, which is always a positive thing.
Some more goodies.
And why don't we pull it out? Wow. Wow.
Oh my god. Wow.
Check this out, guys. Check that out. And I think that's everything in this package here.
Oh my gosh. Wow, it's so light.
It is so incredibly light. Let's put it down very gently.
Let's talk about what came in the package. So you are gonna notice that you have 5 hand bolts that look like this. You have a sunshade, and you have these foam inserts that go on the edge of each door, and that is absolutely it.
So high quality. Those foam inserts are literally nice, so nice.
Just like a pillow.
No imperfections, just like a pillow. Just in case you go on a long camping trip, go ahead and grab your pillows off your Clearlidz. And of course, the last item is the Clearlidz top. Did you forget about that one?
No, I didn't. I just assumed that was already,
So the last piece is that Clearlidz top. It is really nicely wrapped on either side. It has 3 clamps for the front. The very first thing we got to do is take off the original Freedom panels.
Let's do it. The original Freedom panels have 2 screws, one holding each of them in. So it is right over here by that light, so let's unscrew it now. And it pops right up.
All right, halfway there.
Now I gotta bring it out.
Where's that going?
Not gonna say just yet.
Facebook Marketplace is what I was thinking.
Now let's do the same to the other side.
What are you doing with those boxes?
Moving it to where they're disposed of.
Once you have everything done on the other side, you can go ahead and pop it out just like side number 1. It's actually kind of nice with it open. We haven't had these open in so long.
I know. Just a couple reps, and then I'm gonna fall. And that's it. Well, that was pretty easy. Now to the fun part. Let's put on the clear lids.
So why don't we go ahead and place the foam inserts first, one on each side of the roll cage. Here you are.
Thank you. Oh yeah! Huh? You lose. No, you're supposed to lose.
No, you lose. I have the TJ. You automatically lose.
I don't know if you guys have seen our recent reels where Greg is just mass shading me in the JK. Oh, he has no idea what's coming.
I have every idea what's coming. I check your.
No. As we mentioned earlier, there are 5 hand bolts that you are going to be putting in, and let me show you where you need to put them in. So we have a cover on the roll cage, but you can kind of see through here that this is one of the spots. Now you can also feel there is another spot here, but it's covered. So we are just gonna use a quick scissor and put a hole in it. I don't really care.
Once you put those holes, you can go ahead and get this foam cover and place it here just like so. So just like that, once you screw it in, it'll hold it down. All right, why don't we put that hole in? What do you think?
Let's do it. We are just gonna poke a hole from the top to the bottom, just right through. Why don't you come take a look? I'm feeling for it. Get my little tool. Pretty good. And it's
just make that a little larger, and then we could fit the hand bolt right through it.
Let's do it.
All right, Aline is just placing that foam in place, just lightly. We already made the hole. Now it's time to get the other side ready, I think, too, because then we're just gonna drop the clear lids on top, call it a big schmackaronis, huh?
Let's do it.
Would you like a ride down?
No, I'm good.
Okay, fantastic. Alternatively, you could just go ahead and take the roll cage cover off, but we're just gonna keep ours on.
Oh, you serious right now?
What was that?
Give me my bolt.
Grab it.
Where is it?
No, it's okay. Just grab the foam, put the foam. The time has come. Why don't we hold it in the air, just so the bottom's not on the floor, and let's just gently unwrap it. Wow.
Wow.
Wow, all of the static electricity on this thing right now. Look at that. Let's see. Let me carry it.
Okay.
It's actually pretty light. I mean, I'm not holding it with the best angle, but look at this. Would you look at this? All right, why don't you grab it? We're just gonna have to quickly maneuver this over. All right, so we're gonna put this bad boy on.
Watch your light, the door.
Just look at Aline's reaction. We just barely placed it.
This is insane. I have to tell you guys, it's like an outdoor-indoor feel. So if you like being outside without the wind, this is a perfect option.
Wow, look at that. Well, would you look at this? I don't know if you guys have seen those TikToks. Let's get it all in place. What we're gonna do next is just connect the 3 latches when we're all done, screwing in all 5. So 2, 2, and 2, just like that. That adds up to 6 actually, but who's counting?
Not me.
You wanna say that to the camera?
Greg's no mathematician, you guys, so it's actually 6 bolts, which is what we counted right now. So let's screw 6 of these in.
You know, I'm actually pretty surprised by how light the Clear Lidz top is. I mean, here on Garage Couple, we take weight reduction really seriously. Isn't that right, Ollie?
That we do.
All right, why don't we go ahead and get this bad boy into place? It really doesn't take a whole lot to get it into place. I mean, just check that out. That is absolutely beautiful, beautiful. Time to start screwing some things in. Let's go underneath. We're just gonna hand tighten a couple of these in, and then we'll go ahead and fully tighten them all after we clamp it down. So we got one down.
Check out that view.
This is insane.
And make sure not to over tighten.
Just look at Ollie admiring her Freedom panels now that are Clear Lidz.
Once you finish screwing in all 6 bolts, the only thing left is to secure the 3 latches in the front. Very straightforward. Give it a little as such. Greg, go for it.
Alrighty. What do you think?
I love it. I absolutely love it. I wanted to feel like I was outside without actually feeling all the weather, and I think that this accomplished that.
How cool is this thing?
Amazing.
What do you think, Ollie?
I love it. It looks amazing.
So one thing that I noticed that's really nice is that the lines continue to align just as if it was the factory Freedom panel. Now when you close the door, it's totally normal. Absolutely perfect fitment. It looks like it's lined up beautifully, as you could see. And it looks like it's original. Arlene here trying to get some images for the gram, for social media. What do you think, Arlene?
I love it. Hold on.
I do agree, this is an amazing, amazing upgrade. I cannot believe we waited this long to get it done. I definitely think it should be one of the first things anyone with a JK or JL or any other Jeep gets done immediately. What a product.
Initial thoughts, we absolutely love it, you guys. It totally gives me that indoor-outdoor feel. I cannot wait to drive it around and enjoy the view. Now, we will keep you posted as it is getting colder in Southern California, so we are gonna start experiencing some rain. So we will update you after the winter season to talk about if it leaks, if it does not leak. We'll talk about the sun coming through and all of the different features that Clear Lidz has. Thank you so much for coming along for the ride today, you guys. Cannot wait for our next episode. Make sure to check us on Instagram at Garage Couple.
Garage Couple.
Make sure to check us out at Garage Couple. Make sure to subscribe for amazing, amazing content. And we'll see you guys soon.